In today's episode on WarpDriveM, I'm gonna show you how to replace an alternator on a BMW, and this method should work to more than one type. Yeah, we have in here an E46 as a model, yeah, but like I've said, this method will work with more than one model in different engine capacity, yeah. So, in order to start removing the alternator, if you have a mechanical fan, you will need a special tool for that. I've said if you have the mechanical fan, you have to have a special tool to undo the fan. You have to take the shroud, because the shroud will be very big, yeah, till here, something like that. And you don't have access in here for nothing. But in my case, I have an electrical fan, yeah, I don't have to remove anything. And in there is the alternator. We have to remove this intake air, the intake box, yeah, and pretty much that's about it. In order to remove the alternator, we have to remove this air intake, yeah. We have to remove the air filter cover box, yeah, this one. We have to remove these two 10 millimeters bolts from here, like this. Okay, and this one as well. Take the whole unit out. Okie dokie. And this is the alternator, yeah. We have an air duct in here, we can push that down. Okay, like that. Now it's out. We have to remove the belt, and in order to remove the belt, we need a 16 millimeter socket to loose the tensioner, yeah, in order to remove the belt. And after that, we should have two 17 millimeters long bolts, yeah. Oh yeah, and the connectors, of course. But first we have to remove the battery, because we are removing the high voltage cable from the alternator, yeah. Let's do that now. We are going to remove the negative terminal from the battery, yeah, 10 millimeter socket. Okay, and put this aside, yeah, like that. And don't forget, do not close the trunk, because if your car is like mine with fixed back seat, you won't have any access to the battery, and it's going to be a pain. You have to cut something in order to reach in there. So now let's move back to the front of the car. Now with a 16, yeah, spanner, we are going to untension this pulley, yeah, for the belt. Oops, sorry, the other way around. Something like this. See that? Just a second. Okay. $16 socket, yeah, for the bolts from the alternator, yeah, one here on top. Okay, another one in there. I know it's hard to see, but trust me, on here underneath. Okay, I'm going to use the wrench in here. 13 millimeter socket, yeah, for the power cable here in the back, yeah. You have to remove this plastic cover, yeah, or rubber cover, and the cable should come out. Almost there. Yep, it's out. See that? It's out. Okay, we are going to unplug a connector. Yeah. And now we have to remove completely this 16 millimeter bolts. Yeah. And before we remove this bolt completely, we have to tap it a few times because that bolt goes through a guide, yeah, and we have to push that guide a little bit out. Yeah, we are going to use a hammer, going to hit that, but be careful on the radiator. Yeah. Okay, I think it's enough. Let's remove that completely. Okay. That's the second one. And now the alternator should come out. So that's it. Yeah, see, this is the guide that we've pushed a little bit back because sometimes it's going to remain stuck in here. Yeah, that's why you have to just hit a little bit in order to push this guide a little bit back. So yeah, pretty much that's about it. Now you know how to replace an alternator, to remove or change, yeah, an alternator on a BMW. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.